back to my channel. It's and I'm back again today in another YouTube video. Today's video is a bit different. You guys can see my afro. I've never shown my afro on this channel before, or have I don't know. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial video. I've never done this kind of video on my channel before, but I'm going to be doing it anyways. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my cornrows by myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if it was helpful, share it to your friends if you loved it, and yeah, let's go straight into the tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing I'm going to be using to make my cornrows. I'm going to be using this tail comb and then this comb for detangling my hair. Most people will say that they use water to detangle their hair before they do the cornrows, but me, I don't usually like using water on my natural fussy hair to like use it on my hair first before I'm doing the cornrows, because to make like my hand to be oily, plus oil plus water doesn't go, so to make my hand to be like somehow, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So I don't like doing the moisturizing before I do my cornrows, but I use some hair products on my hair before I do the cornrows. I'm going to be showing you guys the hair products that I use. So I use this Blue Magic hairdress conditioner. I use this on my hair. I use this oil. This container is mixed with jojoba oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and some essential oils for natural fussy. I have shea butter. This is shea butter I got from Nigeria, so that's why it looks like this. So these are the basic things that I use for my fussy hair. So let's dive right into what this video is about. So guys, in case I look towards this area, you know that my mirror is here, so I'll use a voiceover to explain every single step that I'm taking to make my fussy hair. So enjoy the video. So guys, the first step I'm going to take is by applying my Blue Magic conditioner hairdress, taking it and mixing it up with my essential oils, and then adding shea butter together with it and massaging it gently into my scalp. I'm going to be using this small comb to section my hair into two parts. So the process I take in sectioning my hair into two parts is by keeping the small comb at the bridge of my nose so that it can make the parting to be very smooth and straight. As I'm sectioning my hair into two parts, I'm going to follow that straight line all the way down. I know I do not have a mirror to check the back, but I'm being straight while doing this. So I'm going to be using this elastic band to tie up the first section of my hair so that it won't disturb me while braiding the other side of my hair. I'm going to be using this my detangling comb to detangle my hair again before I start braiding this section of my hair. We are back again with this small comb to section my hair to start braiding my hair. So I'm going to section my hair into a very straight line. I'm going to follow that particular line all the way down. If you want to use a mirror, you can use a mirror for that, but I don't have a mirror to use for my back, and I don't know how to use my mirror to check my back, so I'm very much comfortable looking at the mirror in front of me and sectioning my hair. The only thing I have to do is to take my comb and follow that straight line all the way down and then pack up my hair. So I'm going to be using this elastic band to tie up this part of my hair so that when I'm braiding this section that I've already parted out, it won't disturb me. Now we are going to detangle again before we start the braiding. So to begin the braiding, we're going to take our fussy hair in front and then section it with our fingers into three small sections. And then as we section it into three sections, we are going to lock in the braids and twist it in. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You can see what I'm doing and follow the same process. And then we're going to lock it in tightly and follow that same straight line down and make it very tight so that it can hold your braids down. So this is the first braid that I've done. This is the first cornrow that I've done, and you guys can see how it is. For the second cornrow, we're going to follow the same step and process that I used for the first one. We're going to follow all instructions that I used for the first one to do the second one. The steps and instructions I used for the first one is what we're going to use for all the braids that we're going to be doing. So we're going to use that single instruction and step that I followed to do the first cornrow to use and do all the cornrows that we're going to be doing for this video. At the end of each braid, we are going to twist the ends in order to lock in the moisture of the hair products that we have applied. So guys, I only did 2 braids, 2 cornrows, and my arms and shoulders were already hurting me, so I smiled away with the pain together. Throughout the whole process of me making this hair, I stretched a lot because my shoulders were hurting me so much. So guys, I'm done with this natural fussy hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I hope it was helpful to you guys that are looking for steps on how to do your cornrows by yourselves. I hope it was helpful to you guys, for you guys, to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if this was helpful. Like this video, share. My arms, my shoulders, they're all paining me, but women. So guys, this is the finished look. So I will see you guys in my next video.